If you are trying to draw but the dimension of the units of your ArchiCAD is not corresponding, it's not giving you the accurate one you want. For example, you want to do a space and you want to take it, the first wall to be 3000. So let's use an example of this now. This is in meters, it's in meters. I want to use a millimeter to draw. If you take notes, because it's in meters, this distance rather is writing 5. So if you type 3000 millimeter, just 3000 and press enter, you see the wall will be like going to infinity. So let's take how long the wall is. Do you see how long it is? This is because the design unit is set in meters, so it's not in millimeters. So this is calculating it in 3000 meters, not 3000 millimeters. So now what can you do? What can you do now? Let's change it. Let's first delete, select this one, delete it, and we go to here, options. You click options, you go to project preference. In your project preference, you don't see your working units, you now click your working units. This is where you see where you can change it. Your length units is here, it's in meters, so you change it to millimeter. So here it's changed to millimeter. Then okay, this means that your wall can now draw in 3000 millimeter and it will not go in 3000 meters. So let's start taking another wall, 3000, enter. You see this is the original 3000 millimeter. So you can actually take it around and complete your drawing. So if this is helpful to you, you know what to do. Subscribe so that you can get more of this. Thank you.